Good morning, everybody. Today's topic is managing our priorities and working upon ourselves. 95% people don't have a plan for the day. And when you don't have a plan for the day, the things are not going to be the way it comes with a plan. You should have at least meticulous plan. You should have a plan at least, if not for every hour, but at least you should know what are the work that I need to do today. If the work has to be done, if there is a plan, it may have 5-10% deviation, that's okay. And the basic thing is we need to give some time every day for the self-development. We need to work every day to improve our communication skill, improve our knowledge, improve our vocab, improve our GK, improve something beyond our course syllabus. 90 to 95% people have a good writing English, but when it comes to communication, they are weak. So, working on your vocab, working on your grammar, trying to find out the right word at the right place is equally important to work on yourself whenever we have some plans. So what I mean to say that with a plan, with a goal, with a dream, we need every day to work on ourselves. For example, if you want to upgrade yourself, we need to do 10 words a day. If you do 10 vocabs a day, after 1 year it is 3,650 words. And it is not 3,650 words, it is more than 6,000-7,000 words, because many of the words are interrelated. Many of the words have the similar meaning. So it is very, very important to keep focus on our deficiencies. For example, maximum of the students are struggling in maths. So we need to understand what we need to do ourselves. Talk to yourself every day. Try to burn like a sun. Burn in a sun before you want to shine in a sun. Shine like a sun. I mean to say that and suppose 90% of the people are poor in calculation. The tables, the squares, the addition, the subtraction. If you do 10, 20, 30 minutes every day, after a period of time you find the huge difference. Then I can talk about grooming sense. I talk about behavior. I talk about giving time every day in garden. Trying to plant some new plants, give water to them, take care of them, read some good books. People say if you want to make your life, the books are the biggest thing. I was going through an interview of Shah Rukh Khan, who said, I read 3 books in a day in 3 different places. And I have more than 15,000 books in my library. And best way to upgrade yourself is to read books, to increase your knowledge, to understand people. That also I feel with the passage of time. You need to be 90% people are only concerned about their benefits. They are trying to utilize the people. So try to identify the good people, the bad people, and the worst people in your life, so that you find how to go ahead. If I have a plan for 7 days, or if I have a plan for 5 days, and I have that time management working on it, whether I want to study my subject for 2 hours or I need to work on my physical fitness. Suppose somebody is potbellied, somebody is fatty, he or she needs to work on his fitness, go for a morning walk, do yoga, do meditation, do puja. If you do every day, you find inner self coming up. You find inner development in yourself. You find that you are talking to yourself, you're trying to understand yourself, and with experience, with time, you find you are knowing better about yourself. And once you know better about yourself, once you know good about yourself, certainly a time will come when you will start feeling different. Those good books, write down the quotations make notes of it in your copy. Give 1 hour, 2 hour every day for reading motivational books, seeing motivational videos, setting your dreams, and reading them, revising them, highlighting them, so that a day comes when you find those statements applicable in your life. Even if possible, use some good motivational quotes in your rooms on different angles by Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Mukesh Ambani, APJ Abdul Kalam. These are the different successful people who have made their life different by upgrading themselves, by finding out their weaknesses. Dhirubhai Ambani, father of Mukesh Ambani, was a petrol pump guy, refilling the petrols, refilling the cars, with a dream, and very big companies started all alone with a CEO, and slowly, after working hard for years, they find that the company is growing. So, if you upgrade yourself, you try to find your weaknesses. I mean to say that overall upgradation, whether it is outlook, whether it is thought, whether it is knowledge, whether it is dressing sense, whether it is physical fitness, whether it is attitude towards life, all these things is going to change the perception about yourself. The moment you change the perception about yourself, the world will start saluting you. There is a saying, you work alone, your hard work will make noises. और जिस दिन आपका हार्ड वर्क नॉइज बनने लगेगा, आपको दुनिया सलाम करेगी. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please give your comments so that I get an idea about what is happening in your minds, what is your feedback. Please give your comments. I read all the comments. I will try to reply also. And if you have enjoyed this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.